To be posted to my dump account, to my archive. I know why school is the safest path. It's because someone created that path for you and you just have to follow it. Every day you have a task to do and you're supposed to follow that task to do that tasks in order to graduate. That's the safest path. But do you want that? Well, for me, I don't. That's why I chose business. I want to create my own path. I want to explore. I It can be miserable, yes, but it can also lead to success. If you think about it thoroughly, your success depends on your perseverance, persistence, and your luck. Yes, that's how it is. Now, do you want some to follow the path that someone else built for you, or do you want to build your own path? Yun. Mind you that this is only for the strong. We cannot, you cannot fight in this world if you're weak. Yeah, that's it.